Hello, everyone. Welcome to 10-Minute English Stories. I am so glad you are here with me today. If you are learning English and you love stories that touch your heart, you are in the right place. Today's story is very special. It is called Don't Waste Your Life. Grab a cup of tea, sit comfortably, and let's begin. Imagine this. One day, you wake up old. You look back at your life. Many years have passed, but what did you do with them? Did you follow your dreams, or did you just wait? This story is about a young man who almost lost everything, but one moment changed him forever. Listen carefully. In a quiet town in America called Green Valley, there lived a young man named Jack. Jack was 26 years old. He had kind brown eyes and a friendly smile. Every day he woke up late, ate fast, and walked to his job at the supermarket. He put boxes on shelves, helped customers find milk or bread, and smiled politely. The job was okay. He got money every month. But inside, Jack was not happy. Jack had a big dream. When he was a little boy, his grandmother taught him how to bake. He loved it. He made the best chocolate cookies in the family. Everyone said, "Jack, you have magic hands. You can open your own bakery one day." Jack wanted that so much. He dreamed of a small, warm shop where people would come, smell fresh bread, and feel happy. But every evening he came home, sat on the old sofa, picked up his phone, and watched videos for hours. He played games until midnight. Then he slept. He always told himself, "I will start tomorrow. I am still young. There is lots of time." Tomorrow never came. His mother lived 2 streets away. She loved Jack more than anything. One sunny afternoon, she came to his small apartment. She looked at the dirty dishes and the phone in his hand. "Jack, my dear son," she said softly, "you are wasting your life. You have a gift. Why do you hide it? Life moves fast. Don't wait too long." Jack laughed a little. "Mom, please don't worry. Many people my age live like this. When I turn 30, I will start. I promise." His mother's eyes became sad. She hugged him and left without another word. Weeks passed. One Saturday, Jack's old school friend Tom came back to Green Valley. Tom looked strong and happy. He now owned a small clothing shop in the big city. They met at the little cafe near the park. They drank coffee and talked. "Jack, what about you? Still at the supermarket?" Jack nodded. "Yeah, it's easy." Tom looked straight at him. "And your baking dream? You were so good." Jack looked down at his cup. "I will start soon. I just need more time." Tom put his hand on Jack's shoulder. "Friend, I wasted 1 whole year after school doing nothing. Then I felt empty. I started small, even when I was scared. Now I love my life. You can too, but you must start today." That night, Jack could not sleep. He felt a heavy stone in his chest. He was not hungry, he was not sick, but something was missing. He tried to watch funny videos, but they did not make him smile. He thought, "Why do I feel so alone?" The next days, Jack tried. He bought flour and sugar. He baked cookies like his grandmother taught him. His mother tasted them and cried happy tears. "These are beautiful, Jack. You can do this." But then his friends called him for a football game and pizza. Jack went. He forgot the cookies. The next week he said he was too tired from work. Slowly he returned to his old life. Phone, sofa, late nights. The heavy feeling in his chest grew bigger. Then one cold, rainy evening, everything changed. Jack was walking home from the supermarket. Rain fell hard. A car drove too fast on the wet road. The driver lost control. The car hit Jack. He fell. Pain shot through his leg and head. People shouted. Someone called an ambulance. In the hospital, Jack woke up. His leg was in a white cast. His head hurt. He could not walk. The room smelled of medicine. Machines made soft beeping sounds. He felt scared and small. Next to him was an old man. His name was Mr. Brown. He was 78. His face was thin and pale. The doctors said he did not have much time left. But Mr. Brown still smiled at Jack every morning. One quiet night, Jack could not sleep. He whispered, "Mr. Brown, do you have any regrets?" The old man looked at the dark window. His voice was weak but clear. "Many regrets, son. When I was your age, I loved writing stories. I wrote one small book. People said it was good, but I took a factory job. I told myself, I will write after work. I was always tired. I said tomorrow every day. Years passed. I got married, I had children, but I never gave them my time. I was busy with nothing important. My wife left me, my children stopped calling. Now I am here alone. No stories, no family. It is too late for me. Don't make my mistake, Jack. Time is the only thing you cannot buy back." Tears rolled down Jack's face. He saw his own future in Mr. Brown's sad eyes. That night, Jack made a promise in his heart. "When I leave this hospital, I will not waste one more day." 2 weeks later, Jack went home. His mother helped him walk. His friends visited, but Jack was a new man. Every evening after work, he practiced baking. First, he burned the cakes. He felt angry, but he remembered Mr. Brown and tried again. He woke up 1 hour earlier. He saved every extra dollar. He posted photos of his cookies on the town Facebook page. People started to order. One day, the owner of the small cafe in the center of town called. "Jack, your cookies are special. Can you bake for my cafe every weekend?" Jack said yes with a big smile. It was not easy. Some days he wanted to quit. His legs still hurt. He was tired, but he kept going. He worked hard. He learned new recipes. He smiled at customers. 6 months later, he had enough money. Jack opened his dream bakery. He called it Grandma's Sweet Corner. The shop was small and warm. Fresh bread smell filled the street. People came from all over Green Valley. They said, "Jack, this is the best cake I ever ate." Jack was busy, but he was happy. He spent evenings with his mother. He taught young people how to bake. He felt full inside. Before Mr. Brown passed away, Jack visited him one last time. He brought fresh cookies. "Thank you," Jack said softly. "You saved me." Mr. Brown smiled with tired eyes. "I am glad, son. Now go live." Today, Jack lives a full life. He does not wait for tomorrow. He knows every day is a gift. And the lesson, dear friends, is simple but powerful. Don't waste your life waiting for the perfect time. Your dreams are waiting for you. Start today, even if it is small. Work hard. Be with the people you love. Time runs fast. Use it wisely. When you are old, you will look back with a smile, not tears. Thank you for listening to Don't Waste Your Life. If this story touched your heart, please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Tell me in the comments, what is one small step you will take today for your dream? I read every comment. See you in the next story. Take care and live fully.